What?
I love you.
Somebody, I'll put cherry Coke in that.
Oh, God.
Right? Sounds refreshing.
That's not the word I would use.
Why are all my job site workers like triple the weight and not getting any?
Why is everything sticky?
Oh my gosh, could you imagine that? What's going on, everyone? JakeOfALL here, and well, this is mist, not sweat. Now, about 2 hours ago, it would have been sweat. Here in Florida, we're hot, but it appears that everyone's getting hot, and we are the misting kit people. When I say we, I say look at our family of fans. So, we need to have the main person flip the page real quick. Other way.
Teleprompter. Oh, you want that?
Okay, so we have a pretty good offering, right? And we're going to go down what we offer, like a rigid one. This is the R860721B. Yes, we put a part number up on the thing because we want you to know.
Disclaimer, he has lofty goals on my editing skills.
No, I'm not putting it up on the screen.
Okay.
I'm like putting it up for me.
Because I want
you guys know, I want you guys to know what fans we support, exact models. And here's the cool thing, we have a universal. We'll talk about that later, so we can really support all of them. So like I said, the rigid, pretty nice little guy here. This is a new offering. A lot of you started asking for it, and we've been listening to the comments and giving you some things you've asked for. We have the DeWalt. Now this is the DCE, I think that's an S or a 512B. It will be in the description, don't worry. Okay, that's a nice yellow offering with a side of 20.
It's a very popular offering.
Right, yes, the DeWalts do really well. Funny enough, on eBay, they don't.
No.
Right?
eBay is 3-to-1.
Where's the ones that everyone wants to return it because they find out they don't get a fan?
Well, that's also on eBay, but that doesn't happen nearly as often right now.
In case you didn't know, fans are not included. But hit the comments if you think we should do like a fully done, in a box, ready to go solution.
For like $25, I would hope that everybody would understand that the fan is not included.
You know, some people think that they get a $100 product and an upgrade for $25. But let's move on, because we love Team Red too, Milwaukee, right? So this is a 0886-20, and that is, I should know that.
It is the...
That's this guy.
Yeah.
So,
sorry, I thought you
first one that Milwaukee came out with, M18. This one has our PACKOUT adapter that we sell over at 3D Technologies. That's not important, even though it's awesome. But this one is for this style fan that is not PACKOUT compatible. I realize this has a PACKOUT base on it. We are going to support the PACKOUT fan, and that's where we're going to go into our universal kit. But while we're at it, the other Milwaukee, the big one, right? The 0821-20, right? That's this big, huge job site fan. This was actually our first offering. And yeah, so what we want to do is we want to show you what you get in the kit, some cool stuff like that, right?
Mm-hmm. And I think what we should go over after we go through the kit is all the different ways to hook it up.
Right? Lots of ways. So let's go ahead and rotate our page.
Analog teleprompter here.
Paper teleprompter, not digital. Fun facts.
Nope, this is the one you need because we're going over the kit right now. We're doing it in a...
So it's a kit, right? Now you can buy a bunch of different options for the way you buy your kit, but generally every kit's going to come with these main items. A whip, okay? This is what you hook up to your hose or all your other sources of water. That whip will have a shutoff valve. This is really convenient so that you can disconnect it or just turn it off in case your tank still has pressure, or you yelled 14 times for the kid at the other end of the hose to turn it off, that one, right? Then you get clips. And what do I mean by clips? These are the things that we designed, 3D print, and include with the kit that stick on using a very high bond tape. We also provide some alcohol wipes because it's good. Can you see JakeOfALL's tools are dirty? I was going to clean it, and Jen's like, no, you used it. And they all think you don't. So you take something like this, and you find your surface where this clip needs to go, like this. You clean it, right? You're good to go, okay? And you also get, well, a hoop. That hoop will vary depending on your kit. But this hoop is for one of our smallers. So it's got a T to connect to your whip. It's got 2 nozzles / T's, and it's in a ring like this. It's very simple. If you have the big fan, there's 4 nozzles, but you're also going to get some zip ties, because all of these clips have a provision to also be zip tied, but they slide in to here or they clip in. It's sort of what you're comfortable with, okay? You can see that's how easy I did that. And then, like I said, a zip tie to secure it, and then I believe 2 extra nozzles and a screen, a filter screen.
So it comes with the little brass nozzle end on there.
The brass nozzle. So we're going to talk in the end about cleaning and things like that. But yeah, if you ever wanted to replace one of these, you would be able to unscrew it. Now, I said there's also a universal kit. So the universal kit does not come with these 3D printed. It comes with the zip ties, and it's the larger size, and you cut it down. Cutting it down, what do you mean? That's how easy it is. These are quick disconnect. You can cut these down. Okay, you can change the shape. And we'll go over some stuff because we're going to install one on this fan quickly. But that's generally what the kit comes with. Now, here's a really cool thing. I listed all these out, and I said we can support other fans. If you get the universal kit, we are now offering an option that if you buy a universal kit, meaning one of these with the zip ties and not 3D printed brackets, it's going to be big. You're going to get it, and you're going to go, you know, I'd really like it for the PACKOUT one or the M12 or something like that, which are in design. When they are done being designed, we will ship it to you for shipping. No cost other than shipping. So if you've already bought one and you go, hey, Jake, I see you came out with a new fan. Can I get it for that? Cool. Just shoot us your order number, and we will send you an invoice for the cost of shipping. That's it. It's pretty simple. So other things that are simple, right? Should we, at this point, show them how?
I would show them all the different ways you can hook it up, because what happens, Jake, if we are not at home and have a garden hookup?
Right.
What
so
if we're on the job site?
You have this, and you're at home. And like I said, kids turn off the hose. There's your whip. But what if you're at a place where you maybe have a pool that doesn't have debris in it? That's why we have filters. You could stick this in a pool. This is a stick pump. You could use a transfer pump. Either one of those, put it into a clean water source, and you're going to be able to supply water to any of these kits. You can also use the Milwaukee backpacks. Have you seen the Milwaukee switch tank? They make one that also cuts, or that supplies water source to any kind of drilling and cutting. And those water sources are simple disconnects like this, which I am not going to do right now because that tank is full of pressure. And you say tank, and I say, yep. What if you don't have a pool? What if you don't have a hose and you don't have a pump? We sell the Hydro Tail tank.
Perfect for beach day.
The Hydro Tail tank is 1.3 gallons. And not only is it perfect for beach day because we've taken it to the beach, but if you're on a job site and you need how many hours?
Well, depending on the volume of water in your tank, you can get up to, now use may vary based on, you know, again, the volume of water. I filled it full the first time, all the way up to the one, like the 4 liter mark. Is it 5 liters? 5 liter mark. And I got a solid half hour out of it. Now, I was not impressed with that, but then I went, you know how physics works, and you know how air compression works, and air is easier to compress than water. So I dumped out some of the water. We got her down to 2/3, 3/4 of the way full. I got an hour and a half. An hour and a half. It went through, I would say, probably 2.5 liters of water. So just over,
I'm doing this on
I would say
Brian.
about a half a gallon, maybe 3/4. An hour and a half. And it was still going. I just elected to, I would have pumped it up again.
And it
personally
had
at that point.
this much water left.
It still had like a quarter
It
of the
could
water
have
in there.
still gone, and it still was supplying pressure. But you would have come out, you would have given it a quick couple pumps, and you're good to go. And here's the thing. You're going to the beach, right? So you're literally throwing this over your shoulder, grabbing your fan anyways, because we've seen people at the beach in Florida with fans. So grab one more thing. Grab a Hydro Tail tank that we sell.
So you can get the tank with any of the kits that you order. It is
Including the
an option to
universal.
add it on.
Yep.
It is also, if you have purchased a tank or a kit in the past and would like to add the tank, you can also now add the tank individually by itself on our website. But also, if you just want to buy the clips. Turns out you can do that. Or if you have a printer yourself, you can also just get the STL and make your own kit.
Right?
Options for days, Jake. Options for days. You want to show them how quick and easy it is to
I am.
install
I
on that
hooked
one?
this. Oh no, this one's broken.
Oh no.
It's not broken. It's missing clips. So I wanted to give you an example of how this whole thing sort of goes down. So I'm going to turn this
all the way
noise
over
off.
here.
Right? Grab my wipes, and you can see the fan is dirty. We're going to clean the areas, because we need 2 of them. And luckily, it is insanely hot out here. So that will be dry pretty quick. Now, some people have asked, where do they go? They're usually molded. And I want to say perfectly, but I don't like to use the word perfect when, well, it's us. We're imperfect people. So these fit in between these grooves on this fan. This fan, you can see they fit this angle. This fan, it's a little socket kind of thing. And this fan is a little bit more up to you. So we like to just go geometric, and it's centered as much as possible on the flat spots, okay? There's double-sided tape. I didn't call it sticky tape this time. People really didn't like that, did they?
Everybody's got a hill to die on.
I will tell you, it will take you longer to peel that backing off than it will to install this kit sometimes. So now, we're going to locate this. Thank you. We're going to push it in really well, okay? And then, right, and we're going to clip it. Now, here's the thing. Jen was saying earlier, we're going to show you another method. Some people are like, it feels like the clips are going to break. So, it's really hard to see, I realize that, but there's a C channel, and this is round. So C wraps around round, slide it into your clip.
Because these are quick release, and they are super easy to pop on and off.
And you go like that, right? And there you go. You would, now, I didn't attach this one. I attached that one. I'm showing you. Here's the thing. It comes with the tape. Mine is screwed on here. Mine is on here. These are all taped, but every once in a while, that could happen. Put a new piece of tape. If yours is permanent and you want to, you can absolutely use some E6000 or like some CA glue and to put those on. Now, let's take another example of just how it would be done, which is you put your clips on. I always like to put this guy somewhere that's not going to interfere. And this guy I'm referring to is the T. And I just come up to it and I clip it. And I clip it. And I clip it. And I clip it. Now say, for example, it felt like it was too long and one of these was bulging. As simple as pushing and pulling is how these come disconnected. So you can trim them. Heaven forbid somebody was gardening too much and you accidentally got one of these that was too short. We absolutely will send one out. We love to keep you guys in
I love
nuts.
that you're giving them the disclaimer that sometimes I...
Well, you did say.
Well, yes, there was this last year when we moved. We accidentally, when we moved the ruler on my desk to a different desk, and we marked the wrong spot or we set the thing, and I had like 30 kits that I had to go ahead and
Ship a couple
out
people.
a whole new replacement.
And we just send them new tubes with the nozzles because we want you guys to be cool. We don't want you to troubleshoot this too much, but it is designed in a way that you can take up slack. You can get rid of some bunching, but you can also universally mount it. So I said the little thing about if you buy the universal kit, you can get the clips for your future fan, just pay. But here's the other thing. These are a product that water is flowing through. We don't know the water. We don't know where you're at. They can get corroded. That's why we give you extra of these little brass nozzles. And this is how quick it was. I just took that brass nozzle out.
There it is.
Okay, there's a rubber gasket and a nozzle. You can use a wire that small, but you could also soak these in like CLR. Just don't soak them too long.
There, here. Ta-da, yep.
Because you don't want to dissolve that. But that's why we include extra nozzles. Now, you've had yours for a really long time. You love it. All we're asking is just shoot us your order number. If you need a new set of nozzles, we'll work with you, get you some nozzles sent out. Here's the thing. you guys have given us great feedback about adding shutoff valves, and we'd love to know what other products you'd like these for. And that's also why we're doing sort of the universal thing, which is you could order it, you could add a misting kit to your fan, and then you could say, hey, you're going to support Cobalt? And I'm going to say no, because 500,000 Cobalt tools just got recalled by Lowe's because of a battery fire problem. So,
well, the disclaimer too: electricity and water.
Don't
Big elephant
use
in
it,
the
Your
night,
Honor.
just
We're
don't
just-
splice.
right, we're just going to tell you, oh my
Pay
gosh,
attention.
you put water on that. So, yeah, make sure you set it up in a way it doesn't drip on your tool. Okay, you have this thing, it's off, it's just sitting there drizzling down in it. Sorry about your luck, bro.
I mean, we've
I
definitely
usually-
used a lot. We've used every single one of these fans for hours with this kit, so it is possible
Yeah.
to do successfully. You just,
See, like I have the tip, right? And battery,
just
okay?
a tip.
Just a tip. But look, as long as we don't have this on, running, just soaking into that, it's fine. And this is one of the original. This is, I did this one first. I did this one like really quick second, but I've had this fan forever. And here, look, I'm going to fix, boom, done. So I think,
I'm happy. I feel like you covered everything.
I think I've covered
needed to
everything.
cover.
I've covered troubleshooting. I've covered installation. If you guys don't know, we are going to give you a little install video, not of this one, but a separate one showing you how to put all this in, and that will be over on the YouTube channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you hit the like, because, well, you guys like us and we love you. So come on, hook us up. What's the,
And I mean, hey,
Right.
shoot Jake a photo of your misting kit in use
Oh my gosh.
to be featured on our Instagram
I will
or on
abso-
social media,
Yep.
and we might send you something super cool in the mail.
I love that idea. So you know how to do that? Tag me on those platforms. Otherwise, hit to the comments. Let us know what fans you want us to support. And if you have a misting kit, love to hear from you. Thank you, everyone. I am going to go. The sun is finally down, which means it's now 91.
I'm going to give you a sneak peek of a video that we've been working on for 3 months, but only super duper fast. Bye,
Bye, say
Jake.
goodbye.
Ah, look at that. Isn't it cool? Not
So
as cool as our misting kits.
Peace out. Shop.JakeOfALL.com. You guys have a great one.
Bye.
See you.